ready? Okay, I got my new fridge and I was extremely impressed with the wrapping of it. It's got like pool noodle all around the edges. So hopefully I'll be as impressed with what's on the inside.
What's that? Oh, that's it.
Let's see.
Oh, the ever-present styrofoam.
More styrofoam. Nice sheet. I should have opened it from the other side.
Oh, fancy.
Here, I'll go sideways. Oh. If I pull it out onto this. Onto it. Oh, it's because of the cloth.
Oops, sorry.
And voila.
Is it heavy, Maggie?
Yep. Look at that.
Wow.
So pretty.
Let's see.
Nice.
Oh,
It looks like a winter, a clone of a winter. If you look on this side, it shows the same screen. Come over here, Tati. Look at the screen. It's the same as the winter. So what I'm hoping is that I got a winter for about the third of the price of a winter. That was good.